Yes. Now miscellaneous problem 6. Let f is equal to given says 2.3. After that miscellaneous problem 6. F is equal to the function x comma x square by 1 plus x square is the question. Function x comma x plus x comma x square by 1 plus x square, set of all the x value belongs to R, that is your domain belongs to R. Clear? Be a function from R to R. Determine the range and range of f, that's all. The question, this is your question. If x belongs to R, real number, so what is this value? X square by 1 plus x square, also positive real number. Why positive real number? X place substitute to negative value, square time, it becomes positive. For example, x is minus 2 square is 4. Here also 1 plus 4 by 5. So it is a real number, positive real number. And the denominator, your denominator x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square, always greater than the numerator x square. Numerator x square. This is x square is the numerator. Therefore, the value of the entire value of x square by 1 plus x square is always the entire value close to 1 but less than 1. Can you understand what I am saying? See the second value. X is the domain number. This is the codomain number. X square by 1 plus x square. This x value always negative, positive, whatever it is. The entire term change to the positive real number. Clear? Then compare the denominator and numerator. Denominator 1 plus x square value is always greater than the numerator value. X square is 4, denominator is 5. So denominator 5, numerator is 4. So denominator is greater than the numerator. So total value is always close to 1 but less than 1, not more than 1. Therefore, the range of f is, we can start 0. X is 0, here also 0, 0 by 1 plus 0, so 0 by 1, 0, here 0. So we can take 0 onwards, but close to 1, not included 1. So this is the interval of closed open interval 0, 1 is the range of f. Closed open interval 0, 1. How to read this? Closed open interval 0, 1 is the range of f. This is our problem number 6. Can you understand? This is the domain, this is the codomain. Codomain value is always close to 1 but not equal to 1. But we can start the real value 0 to 1. Positive real number, because all the codomain are positive real number. So 0 to 1 is the range of f. No need to think about the domain number. Domain may be 0 to negative number, positive number, whatever it is, domain. Our question is what is the range. So this positive number connected to the positive number. Negative number also connected to the positive number. So range is always 0 to 1. Range cannot be crossed for the greater than 1. Understood? Then I will move for problem number 7. Given, I read out the question. F is a map from R to R, G is a map from R to R, and f of x is equal to x plus 1, g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find f plus g, f minus g. To find f plus g value, f minus g value, and f by g. F plus g is nothing but f plus g of x. Problem number 7. F plus g of x is the meaning. So you can split f of x plus g of x. What is f of x? X plus 1 plus what is g of x? 2x minus 3. Now add and write the answer. X plus 2x, 3x. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is 3x minus 2 is the answer. Similarly, f minus g of x, you can split and write f of x minus g of x. F of x is x plus 1 minus g of x is 2x minus 3. Now multiply with minus sign, x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. So minus x plus 4. Minus 4. 2x minus 3. So minus x. This is 1 plus 3, 4. Minus x plus 4. What is f by g of x? F by g is the question, but it is a function of x. F of x by g of x. We can split and write like this. Then f of x is, you know that, x plus 1 by g of x answer is 2x minus 3. That's all. But here 2x minus 3 not equal to 0. Therefore x value we cannot substitute 3 by 2. X cannot be 3 by 2. 2x minus 3 not equal to 0. 2x not equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 2. If you substitute x is equal to 3 by 2 here, it will become 0. Some number by 0, it is called infinity. So this value is not possible for the x. X cannot be 3 by 2. That point is important. Okay. Then number 8, question number 8. Given the problem, use your textbook and read it, then come to your answer. 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. This is your problem. Minus 1, minus 3. Be a function from z to z. F is a map from z to z. Integer. And given one more function of f of x is ax plus b. This is also given. For some integer a, b. That a, b belongs to integer. Find to find a and b. Okay. Now find 1 by 1. F of 1. 1, 1 belongs to f. Here, first point to take. 1, 1 relation. This is the relation. Belongs to f. This is x value. That x value substitute in f of x. So what is your y value? 1. X is 1. F of 1 answer is 1. X is 2. F of 2 answer is 3. Clear? When x is 0, f of 0 is. Like that you have to do. F of 1 is equal to. This is x value done. First one is x. Second one is f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. This number. And similarly 2, 3. Second point I am taking now. 2, 3 belongs to the function. So f of x. F means is nothing but f means f of x. So f of 2. What is f of 2? 3. That second value. When you substitute 2 f of 2, you will get the answer 3. When you substitute 1 f of 1, you will get answer 1. Where you will substitute? Here. Okay. Now come to the equation. F of x is equal to ax plus b implies x plus 1. F of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b. But what is f of 1? 1. A plus b. Equation number 1. Similarly, x place substitute 2. Can you understand? A into 2 plus b implies. What is f of 2? Already you know that. 3. So instead of f of 2, 3 is equal to 2a plus b. This is equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2, you will get a and b. 1 and 2, you will get ab. So first equation multiply with 1 and 2, directly you can solve. A plus b is equal to 1. 2a plus b is equal to 3. Subtract the equation. B and b cancel. Minus a is equal to minus 2. Therefore a is equal to 2. Therefore b is equal to a equal to 2, substitute here. 1 minus 2. So b is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is where a and b. So this type of question for the 1 mark as well as 2 marks. F is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. I have taken first 2. You can take third and fourth also. Same a and b you will get. F of 0 is minus 1. F of minus 1 is minus 3. Now f of 0 place substitute minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 3, no? So f of minus 1 place substitute minus 3 is equal to x place substitute minus 1. So minus a plus b. So a is equal to 2. You can use these 2 points. Any 2 points you can use and find the value of a and b. This is the relation. Here what is your domain? 1, 2, 0, minus 1. What is your codomain? 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3. The range also 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. I think you will understand nicely. Number 9. Problem number 9. Any doubt, please discuss to ask the doubt. No? I will explain again. Let R be a 9th question I read now. Let R be a relation from n to n. R is a relation from n to 1. N to n. So f is a function from n to n. The relation R. Here R is the relation. Okay. The relation R is set of all a comma b, and a and b belongs to the natural number, and what it is given, a is equal to b square. This is the main. A is equal to b square is the main. Whatever here number 1, that 1 is equal to you have to multiply b also. If you take b also 1, a also 1, 1 is equal to 1 square. You will get the same answer. A1, B1, if you substitute, you will get this relation correct answer. A equal to 1, B also 1, 1 square is 1, A equal to B square we are getting. Suppose A is 9, B is 3, this equation will be satisfied. A is 9, B is 3, 9 is equal to 3 square. So like that you have to discuss the answer. Are the following true? First one is true or not. A comma A belongs to R. A belongs to the natural number. This is a statement of reflexive relation. A comma A, same number is called reflection. So reflexive relation or not, they are asking now. A belongs to n. Now A value and A comma A. For example, here A is equal to 3. What will happen? Substitute here. 3 is equal to B also 3. So 3 square. 3 is equal to 3 square. Is not satisfied. Can you understand? A is 3. B also 3. Instead of B, you can substitute A value. What are you taking for A? That is same for the B. Here B is given as A. So A is equal to 3. Substitute here. A equal to 3. B also I have taken like A. So 3 square. 3 equal to 9 is not satisfied. 3 equal to 9? No. So A comma A is not a relation. This relation name is called a reflex relation. For all natural number, A belongs to M. Self, both same value we cannot take except 1. Okay. And it is not true. So first one is not true. Next, second, A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R means it should satisfy A is equal to B square. But B comma A not belongs to R because A is equal to 3 implies here A equal to 3. B is equal to, you can take 3 comma 9. For example, A 3, B 9. Now substitute in the result. 3 is equal to 9 square. No, you take first A is equal to 9, B is equal to 3. So what will happen? B equal to A comma B. A comma B relation is equal to 9 comma 3. Therefore, A is 9, B is 3, 3 square is satisfied. Conversely, this one satisfied, but this is not in R. When B is equal to 3, A is equal to 9, sub in A is equal to B square result. Therefore, what is A? 9. B is B is equal to 9, A is equal to 3. Conversely means A is equal to 3, B is equal to 9. First you have to take A is equal to 9, B is equal to 3. This is for one example. I am giving the example. The statement is true or false you have to say. So I take some number, natural number, A9, B3. My result is satisfied. Substituting in our equation. Now conversely, ulta. B is 9, A equal to 3. Sub in the result, A is equal to B square. A is equal to B square result. Sub in here. So what will happen? A is equal to 3. B is equal to 9 square. So this is satisfied or is not satisfied? Both are not equal. Therefore, B comma A not belongs to R. This relation A comma B belongs to R, but B comma A not belongs to R is called this is called a symmetric relation. This is reflexive relation. This is symmetric relation. Okay. Then third one relation is called transitive. A comma B belongs to R. B comma C belongs to R, which implies A comma C belongs to R is called a transitive relation. Transitive relation. This relation definition is called a transitive. A, B friend, then B friend is C, so automatically A and C are friend. A is friend to B person, B is friend to C person, so automatically it will come A is friend to C person. This relation is called a transitive relation, usual definition. But here we have to check it is a transitive relation or not. Same number. What is your A value? 81. To take now 81. B is equal to 9. 81 B is equal to 9. Implies 81 is equal to here. 81 is equal to 9 square is true. Therefore, A comma B belongs to R. Okay. Then another. If number 9 belongs to natural number, that is your B value. This is your B value. 9 belongs to N. B is equal to 9 you are taking now. B is equal to 9 belongs to natural number. Clear? A is equal to C is equal to you are taking now 3. C is equal to 3. Now B comma C. B comma C is equal to, what is your B comma C equation? First term is equal to second term square. What is your first term? 9. Second term C is 3 square is true. This A value 81, B value 9, C value you are taking now 3. Now A and B is satisfied. This B and C is satisfied. As per the rule, these two satisfied. Now we have to prove A and C satisfied or not. A and C, A comma C belongs to R, implies A is equal to C square is the equation according to this relation type. This is given as per the question. What is A? You have allotted 81. C square, 3 square is not true. 81 is equal to 9 only coming, so not true. Therefore, A comma C not belongs to R. It is not a relation for the transitive. It is not a relation for the symmetric. This relation is called symmetric. Name. This relation is called reflexive. This relation is called reflexive. So within one question, 3 type of relation explained. Reflexive relation, self. I am a friend for myself. A is mine, so I am a friend for myself. A comma A. And here A is me and B is you, so A and B friends. So automatically B and A also friends. That is called symmetric. But here it is not symmetric. And transitive. A is a friend to B person, B is a friend to C person, automatically A is a friend to C person should come. But this question, A is not a friend to C. Okay. Suppose A is friend to C, it is called a transitive relation. 3 type of relation, explain this question. So it's a very nice question. You can refer some book also. This type of question you can refer the another reference book. Next I come to the point number 10. Given capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital B is equal to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. And some F value relation as given. What are the relation? 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. Are the following true? Subdivision 1. F is a relation from A to B. It is a relation or not, they are asking. F is a relation from A to B. So we have to prove A cross B. A cross B means what? A is related to B denoted by A cross B. Already you studied A cross B is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 9, 1, 11, 1, 15, 1, 16. Okay, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 9, 1 comma 11, 1 comma 15, 1 comma 16. Take this one number and related to all number. Next take the two number related to all the number. Like that, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 9, 2 comma 11, 2 comma 15, 2 comma 16. Then you got to tell about 3 comma 1, 3 5, 3 9, 3 11, 3 15, 3 16, 4 comma 1, 4 comma. At last it will come 4 comma 16. Relation. This is the relation. Here the first is subdivision. First frame the relation. The function f is a subset of a cross b. This is f set, no? This is a small set, this is the greatest set. This 1 comma 5 here is there. 2 comma 9 also is here. 3 comma 1 also should come. 4 comma 5 within this set. 2 comma 11 within the set. Therefore, f is a subset of the relation a cross b. That's all. What is your question? F is a relation from a to b is the question. Yes, f is a subset of a cross b. Therefore, f is a relation. Relation of a to b. This is subdivision 1. Subdivision 2. F is a function from a to b. F is a function from a to b. Function means what? Every element in domain has image in different image in codomain. So here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1. This is a different image. But see the proof. 2 is the domain connected with 1. 2 is the domain connected with any other number. The element 2 is the domain, has two different images, 9 and 11. See that? 2 connected with 9. Put the arrow mark diagram. First number you have to enter in codomain, domain. Second number you should enter in 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. This number enter in the codomain. Now see the connection. 1 comma 1 connected, 1 comma 5 connected, 1 comma 9, 1 comma 11, 1 comma 15, no problem at all. 1 has different image. 1 is connected with 1, 1 is connected with 5. So like that you will get same 1 connected with 1, 5, 9, 11, etc. 1 connected with 1, 1 connected with 5, 1 connected with 11, 9. Same image you are getting, no? Not only this 2 comma 9, 2 comma 11. This is for one example. Every number has different image. Okay? One number has all the one connected. Every number in the domain has different image should come. This is the question. 1, 2, 3, 4 in set A. Connecting point is 5, 9, 1 comma 5 connected, 2 comma 9 connected, 3 comma 1 connected. So 1 you should write here. 3 comma 1 connected, 4 comma 5 connected. See? 4 comma 5 connected, 2 comma 11 connected. So 2 has 2 images. 2 has 2 images. It is not a function. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay, according to this concept. Clear? Number 11. A comma B, AB comma A plus B. F is a subset of Z comma Z. Z cross Z. That is the relation for Z cross Z. So it is a function or not. Number 11. F is a function from AB comma A plus B. A comma B is the integer. See, AB is the x value. A is 1, B is 2. Multiply 1 and 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 you can take for the domain number. This is for the codomain number. A1, B2. A plus B, 1 plus 2, 3. So 2 comma 3 is the relation. Okay, 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3. So since 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 belongs to Z. So A1, B2, take. Substitute here. F is equal to set of all. AB, 1 into 2 comma 1 plus 2. So 2 comma 3. This is one answer. Next, minus value substitute. A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 2. What is your F value? Minus 1, minus 2 plus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is your F value. A comma B belongs to Z. See here, 2 is the codomain. 3 minus 3 is the A set, B set. 2 has image 3, 2 has image minus 3. So 2 has 2 images. 2 has 2 images. Therefore, it is not a function. Understand, ma? Okay, next. 12th question. I read the question. A is equal to given. A is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is A. F is a map from A to natural number. F and one more condition has given. F of n is equal to highest prime number. Highest prime factor of n. Find range of F.